Hey everyone, today's video is about CHSI degree verification. In this video, I will try to teach you step-by-step guide how you can make an account and how can you get your degree verified. For that, we need to go to the PC screen. Let's go. First of all, you need to type CHSI verification and you need to click on create account. After clicking on create account, it will show you a dashboard like this. And if you are not in China, your local number or your email won't work to log in this particular website. So you need a Chinese number to log in it. After giving that Chinese number, you need to put your password, confirm it, and it will send you a security code and you need to put it here. And after completing this like create account, you need to verify yourself uh, by holding your passport in your hands able to, and your face should be visible too, and you need to upload that photo to verify. After completing that verify thing and after creating that account, you need to log in like this. Put your ID and your password here and then click on the login and it will show you a dashboard like this. And this dashboard will show you your profile. It should be 100% completed. It will show you your bounded mobile number, your name, your country, region, your ID type, your password, and all those things. And you need to after checking your profile, you need to click on this third option and it will take you to a new page, and on this page you can choose your preferred language like Chinese or English, whichever you prefer. You need to click on the first option and it will show you a page where you need to put your university's name. First of all, you need to put your university's name and it will verify your university name, and after that your document will be uploaded here. After you put your university's name correctly and go back and click on the second option, it will show you a dashboard like this where your degree will be presented to you, and it will be in Chinese. And if you want to translate it, you need to go over this like sending overseas travel report, and you need to click on English translation. After you click on that English translation, it will show you a new dashboard, and here it will ask you to bind your degrees. My degree is already translated, so it is not showing that option here, so it will ask you to bind your degree here. You need to click bind here, and after that you need to give the details here accordingly. After giving the necessary details and binding this degree, you need to apply, and its fees is 30 RMB. And its expected time is 3 to 5 days, but sometimes it's done in the same day too. After binding and applying, you need to go back again and you need to click on the third option, and here you will see a dashboard like this, and you need to go on degree certificate and transcript verification. After clicking on it, and you will see a dashboard like this, and you need to click on the higher education transcript and it will show you a page like this. And the first option is to apply online, and you need to click on it, and after that, after clicking on it, it will show you a new page, and here you need to click on the start a new application. And in this navbar you need to click on the second one like start a new application, and it will ask you applying on the behalf of others or applying for yourself. If you're applying for yourself, you need to choose that one, and if you're applying on the behalf of others, you need to choose that one. After that, it will show you a page like this, and you need to complete all these 6 like select, apply, upload personal details, submit, and confirm and pay. And if you scroll down, you will see an option like verification purpose, and you need to select your purpose. Like some people are applying for Canada and some people are applying, so you need to select your purpose. And higher education qualification certificate is free, but higher education transcript is not free. It will cost you 150 RMB for English and 150 RMB for Chinese. And if you try to select the Chinese one, it can be selected, but if you try to select the English one, it can be selected alone. It will be selected along with the Chinese one, so it will cost you like 300 RMB. I will select like H. I'm going to select higher education qualification certificate, and then I will just click on the next, and it will show you something like this, and you need to just click on I have read this and above content. And here you need to upload your certificates like your documents and all. And when you click on add the documents, it will ask for your name, of type of identification, number of identification, gender, date of birth, type of certificate, certificate number, type of education. You need to fill your institute name, institution location, date of enrollment, date of graduation, and all those things you can find on your degree or diploma, like certificate number or date of graduation and date of enrollment, and maybe you can find institute name too, institute location too. It will ask you for your major name, and mine is Bachelor of Medicine, so I will just write it down. And after that it will ask you like length of schooling. If it's 4 years, 3 years, 5 years, you need to select that, and after that graduation conclusion, and it will be passed. You need to recheck all your information that it's right, and you have given all the information according to your enrollment in the university, and everything is correct. After that you need to go scroll down, and it's done.